Go.
Go.
Look at Cookie Monster.
Look at Cookie Monster.
Woo! Woo! Put her down. Let her do some dancing. You spin. Sattva, can you spin? Let her do it on her own. Say hi. Yeah, I love it. Okay, go spin.
Come on.
The audio gets cut out on this, right?
It will.
I remember this one time when we were at the dance, and Maharai and me were dancing, and he wanted to do the tango. I was like, "What?" He goes, "Let's go, let's go, let's do it." And so he like grabbed me, and I went flying because he ran with me. And I was like, "Oh, okay." And so we started dancing, and
Okay, put her down.
and of course he was leading. Of course he was
I want her to
leading.
do some spins.
And when he started to lead, he dipped me. He goes, he's like counting.
Getting that, right?
He's like counting, and he goes 1, 2, 3, and then he goes and dip. And he started dipping me, and he was like flying me everywhere. It was great. It was hilarious. Mahanar's a really good dancer.
Spin with the owl.
No, we see like 1, 2, 3, and
You do it.
I can
Papa.
imagine them. It's funny.
Where's the owl?
Okay, cut.